Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson, and we are on the second day of our cabin build here by Kalamazoo, and we're getting the top logs on and doing a little work to re-level them, shall we say. Apparently we didn't have it quite level where we were staging it back in Minnesota. So we're doing a little adjustment on the corners. So we've got just 3 more logs to set up. This one here is for the floor joist. There's going to be a loft in the one half of the building on this side, and then after we get the loft floor up, we're going to put up these gable end walls that I actually framed up back in Minnesota, and we'll set those in place, and then that beam laying under the sawhorses goes on there, and that'll be our ridge beam for the roof. That's a 3 by 14 inch timber that came out of an old building in Eveleth, Minnesota. So we've got a little bit of wood from a lot of different places. Keep watching, folks. Thanks.